Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara Ortiz and I'm a professional makeup artist based in Toronto. A couple of weeks ago, I shared with you a home remedy to make your hair look soft and healthy. Today, I'm sharing with you how to make your own cuticle oil. But first, what is a cuticle? The cuticle is the skin around your nails. And the purpose of them is to protect the nail when it's growing from bacteria. So this area tends to be very delicate and gets dry very fast. If that cuticle around your nails are not healthy, what is going to happen is you can end up having bacteria growing into your nails, and your nails may break, they may be weak. So taking care of your cuticle is very important. In my opinion, I think we shouldn't cut the cuticle very often. I regularly just cut the edges. Usually this area gets very dry, is dead skin, so I cut that area. But cutting your cuticle may lead to infections and bleeding too. You may cut yourself, so just be careful. I just recommend using a orange stick just to push back the cuticle. That way it will allow the nail to breathe more, and it will stimulate nail growth. This cuticle oil is super easy to make, and you probably have all of the ingredients already at your house. For this recipe, and you will need coconut oil. Coconut oil has very good benefits for our hair, as I mentioned before, but also is very good for your skin. The coconut oil has good properties to help maintain your skin hydrated and also strengthen your nails. The other product that you will need is olive oil. Olive oil promotes nail growth and also is full of vitamin E, which is very important to make your nails strong and healthy. The third product is castor oil. Castor oil helps with circulation and also helps to make your nails strong and has vitamin E as well. So both olive oil and castor oil has vitamins that are very important to keep your nails strong and healthy. And the last ingredient is lavender essential oil. This essential oil helps also with moisture, is antibacterial, and promotes keratin production. Keratin, as you probably know, is that protein that we need in order to make our hair and our skin healthy. If you're interested to know how to make your own cuticle oil, keep watching. So here you have the final product. I decided to use this bottle. It was from my Vichy Mineral 89 skin booster. So this was a sample size and I believe it's 10 ml. So I decided to just put it here, and basically all the product fit him properly. And what I like about this is that you can easily pump the product and distribute it. Also, if you want to have a more traditional bottle, you can use an empty nail polish. Just make sure you clean it properly so there's no leftover product nail polish there. You clean it properly and then apply your cuticle oil into the clean nail polish container and apply it on your cuticles. Also, these products that we incorporated into this oil are also very good to hydrate your actual nails and your hands. So usually what I do is I will pump one drop and I will massage the product into my nails. Okay, make sure that the cuticle gets extra product, and then I will just run the product all over my nails like this. See how shiny they look, and I don't have any nail polish. I have nothing, just the oil on my nail, and see how shiny it looks. Like I have clear nail polish, but I don't have anything. So this is how they look, and I like to just grab a little bit more and just apply it on the rest of my hands to keep my hands also hydrated. As I said, these products help with moisture and help to keep your skin healthy. I've been using this product for, I will say, about like 2 months, and I have noticed a big improvement on my cuticles. They look way more healthy than before. And what I'm trying to do is I try not to use too much nail polish lately, and I just let my nails absorb the oil so they can, you know, get stronger and healthier. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned something new about how to take care of your nails, and using also organic products, homemade products to help you look more beautiful and feel more beautiful too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up if you enjoyed this tutorial, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto, and see you next time. Bye.